Okay, I'm going to start by labeling my points. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And notice that I do have the formula up at the top here for you. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my formula. So we take the square root of, we take your x2 minus x1 squared, just following this, plus y2 minus y1 squared. So this needs to be written on your paper. Now, once you get to here, you're going to go ahead and type all of this into your calculator. And if you do this, you're going to get 128. And remember, you're typing in everything without the square root symbol. If you do this, you get 128, and then you still have that square root symbol. Now what we're going to do is we have to keep going. Square root of 128 is not a perfect square root, so I'm going to go ahead and do my tree. Now this is kind of a big number, but we know that it's even, so I can always divide by 2. So I'm going to start with 2 and 64. This is your end. I can go to 8 and 8 here. You can use 2 and 32, but the 8 keeps going. So this is going to be a big tree here. So I got 2 and 2 here. This is also 4 and 2. And then this is also 2 and 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2s at the end of your tree. So check your factor tree. And then the last thing I want to do is now let's look for pairs. I see a pair of 2, so the 2 comes out. I see another pair of 2s, so I'm going to pull out another 2. But then I notice there's another pair of 2s, so I'm going to pull out another 2. This 2 can't come out, so I'm going to leave that one underneath. And remember, when we have more than one number on outside, we're going to multiply them all together. So it's 2 times another 2. That gives me a total of 8 square root of 2. And then your check is, you should see that answer in my answer bank below, which I do.